Hello students, I am KP Singh. Welcome you all in Management Darshan. Today I am going to start a series of management concept and organization behavior that is basically related to MBA and BBA students. And in this particular unit we will cover introduction of management, level of management, nature and scope, managerial skill and functions of management. So let's start. Uh, Meaning of management. Management refers to all the activities and often the group of people involved in the four general functions. That means management has four important functions that are planning, organizing, leading and controlling. Eh? Management is a practice of utilization all available resources to obtain a desired result. Management is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and control activities of others. The Henry Fayol has given acronyms of the POCCC that are planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating and controlling the activities of management. According to Terry and Franklin, he has defined management is a distinct process consisting of activities of planning, organizing, and controlling performed to determine accomplish stated objective with the use of human being and other resources. Importance of management. What are the various importance of management? We can underline this. Achievements of the goal. The first and foremost objective of the management to accomplish the goal decided by the organization. Also ensuring the optimum utilization of resources whatever organization is having. Developing analytical and conceptual ability of managers so that they can take a right decision regarding the management performance. Balance between multiple goals. Whatever a organization may have multiple goals, so then managers has a responsibility to balance all the multiple goals in the organization. Economic and social development through the organizational activities. It is also very important for the organization to contribute in the development of the society also. Coordinate individual and organizational goals is social upliftment and environmental analysis. These are the major importance of the management. What are the various level of management? Then we can find out that there are three level of management: top management, middle level management and lower level and operative management. The top level management consists basically chief executive officers, chief marketing officer, chief sales officer, chief technology officer, president and managing directors. All these are constituting the top management. Marketing managers, purchase heads, sales manager, operation managers and branch manager and finance manager are the included in the middle level management, and supervisor, foremen and junior managers, inspector, clerk are included in the lower level management. Top level management. What are the responsibility of top level management basically? Top level management basically is responsible for the deciding the policies and strategies of the organization. They prepare a strategic plan policies for the enterprise. It also responsible for appointing the middle level managers. It control and coordinate the activities of all departments. It is also responsible for maintaining a contact with the outside world. That means the licensing process. It provides guiding and directions. The top level management is also responsible towards the shareholder and performance of the enterprises. These are the basic function of the top level management. And middle level management are basically responsible for the making the plans for subunit of the organizations. They participate in the employment training of lower level management, and they are basically responsible for coordinating all the activities within the division of department. It also sends important reports and other important data to top level management. Now we can discuss about the what are the responsibility of lower level management. Assigning of jobs and tasks to the various workers. They guide and instruct workers for day-to-day activities. They are responsible for quality as well as quantity of production. Within the organization, they help to solve the grievances of the worker. Whatever problem they are facing, they are responsible to solve those problems. And if they are not able to solve the problem, they have to forward these problems to the top level management. They ensure discipline in the enterprises. They arrange the necessary materials, machine, tool, etc. getting the things done. They motivate workers. Now move towards the next topic, that is a managerial skills. Management is the most challenging task in the present business world. It needs certain skill to beat such challenges. Therefore, every manager must possesses essential skills for doing the better management. These managing abilities are termed as a managerial skills. Robert I. Conge has classified three type of skills that are necessary for to successful management process. Technical skills are ability and knowledge to use the equipment, techniques and procedures involved in performing a specific task. It consists of specialized knowledge and ability to perform within that specialty. Technical skills are mostly required for the operating level managers since they are spend much of their time training subordinates and answering questions on the work related problems. The technical skills of management includes handling machines, preparing daily work schedules, supervising employee team formation and mobilizing performance appraiser, preparing reports and motivating employees, etc. Human skills basically related to that function of the management. It is a very complex aspect of the management. Every manager must have good knowledge of communication, motivation, leadership, grievance handling, and conflict management. A manager should have ideas of communicate effectively with the followers and immediate superiors. A manager with ample human skill can lead subordinates and successfully manage the group and coordinate them effectively. Managers can acquire human skills through the education and training. These management skills are equally important at each level of the organization. Human skills are covered equally for managers in the organization for productive and profitable operation. So the top 10 management skills you need for success management is, these are teamwork, leadership, entrepreneurship, conflict management, negotiation, strategic thinking, project management, time management, adaptability and communication. Conceptual skill basically related to top level management where they have to take the decision regarding the all the things which are happening in the organization. The conceptual skills refer to the mental ability and analyze and diagnose complex situation. It involves the seeing organization as a whole of understanding how its parts will affect the whole. Conceptual skills are most necessary top level management is assist the managers to improve the environment, analyzing the force in a working place and taking a broad foreseeing view of the business. Every manager must have a clear vision and concept about the policies, planning and other activities of the organization. Top level managers require high degree of conceptual skill with other level managers also necessitate enough amounts of conceptual skills. Now further we are moving towards the role of the managers. The Mintjewar managerial roles. Mintjewar have classified the three kind of roles of manager that are interpersonal, informational and decisional roles. Interpersonal roles means figurehead, leader and liaison. Figurehead means the manager here to play the important role of representing the organization. Leader, as a leader, he has to motivate the people and guide the people. Listening means he has to maintain the relationship with the other outside world of the with the organization. And informational, he has to monitor, disseminator, and work as a spokesperson. Monitor, seek and receive information from a variety of sources. A disseminator, he has to pass the information from top to bottom and bottom to top. A spokesperson, he has also work like a spokesperson of the organization. And the third role is a decisional role. He has to play the role of entrepreneur. That means he has to take the risk and take the initiative in the organization of taking the decisions. Disturbance handling, that means whatever problem or is organization facing, he has to handle that problem. Resource allocator, all the resources allocated by him to the people in the organization. And a negotiator, he has to negotiate with the team, department, organization regarding the contact, union negotiation, etc. uh, Nature and scope of the management, basically nature and in term of universal, that means management is a universal process that is applicable every part of the world. So it is also a social activities, intangible in nature, dynamic, goal oriented management. The concept of management is basically related to achieving the goals. Production function, coordinating crucial part of the society, professional and process. And the scope of divided into then to two categories, that is the all the activities: planning, organizing, coordinating, directing, uh, controlling and directing are the fundamental and integral part of the management. Branches of management are basically marketing management, production management, office management, personal management, and financial management. Uh, Function of management, Luther Gulick has defined the functions of management as a he has also developed the acronyms of POSDECORP, that means planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting. These are the basic element of the management according to the Luther Gulick. Uh, Planning means it is basically forecasting, deciding the objectives what a organization has to decide. Organizing means organizing all the resources in the organization. Staffing means selecting the right person for the right job. Directing means motivating people for the performance. And controlling means controlling the performance of individual employee within the organization. So thank you. I'll hope you understand the topic well. Thank you once again.